What is up, my all-American fam, and welcome back to the channel. It's good to see you guys. It's been a little while, ain't it? Well, this video ain't doing a whole lot, but I feel that I owe you guys an explanation as to where I've been and what I've been up to. So, let's get it. Those of you that don't know, I'm a disabled combat veteran. Last year I got sick. Yeah, that kind of sick. And so I have my good days and I have my bad. Go ahead and insert the sob story here. This past week, fellas, it's just been more than I could handle. It's taken a lot out of me. But some cool and exciting things have happened, and I want to share them with you. So, let me share. Well, okay guys, so here's the skinny of it, alright? I had something planned this week. Had a kind of a big project planned I was going to share with y'all. And I really wanted to get y'all the before and after, but didn't quite really happen. My family and I have decided that we want to start growing our own vegetables, and where we live at, we really struggle with things like keeping insects out and stuff like that. But we got a little side room over here that you guys should check out. So we're going to turn this room, as you guys can see, we're going to turn this room into a grow room. And then, through this door, gotta watch for snakes around here, we're going to make this a seedling room and kind of a hatchery, if you will. So you may be asking yourself, well, Nick, you know, there's still a lot of work to do. You can still film that. Yeah, I could, but then you guys wouldn't really understand how much work it took just to do that. So I'm going to show you something right here. This is one of our tractors. And to clean that room out, we had to manually fill that bucket up on that tractor. We had to manually fill that bucket up on that tractor so we could empty it out, because obviously you're not fitting a tractor through them doors. And in the process, we also toted it over here for our compost pile, and we used it as some kind of field dirt around the place. Well, fellas, that took it out of me. That little bit right there wore me slam out. I'm not gonna lie about it. But, you know, I guess it is what it is. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty and the fun stuff. So what's changed? What's happened? Well, for those of you that have been following along with the channel, we've been planning to go to a car show called the Truck Gathering in Guthrie, Oklahoma. It's in April. And I was all for that. I truly, really was. But then, a fellow YouTuber dropped the dates of an event of his that he puts on that I was wanting to do this year, and when I realized how soon it was going to happen, I had to make a choice between doing my event or doing his event. I would much rather do his event because I think it's going to be bigger and I think it's going to be a lot more fun. Now, for those of you that don't know about it, there's an event called the Poverty Tour, hosted by Pole Barn Garage. You guys should really check it out. Go check out his channel for all the details and the dates, how, if you want to get involved in it, how you guys want to participate in it if you want to. As for me, I'm showing up and I'm rolling out. The reason I chose this event over the car show in Guthrie is I agree with Pole Barn. Cars are meant to be driven, not stared at. So, that's what we're going to do. And that's what our new plan is. I hope to see you guys out there, and I hope maybe you guys will tag along. But until next time, y'all make sure to keep the shiny side up and the greasy side down. And we'll catch y'all on that turnaround. We gone. Bye-bye.